Hi everybody, USADOS here from Busyman company, Busyman.kr. Today the car we're going to talk about is TUCSON 2004 diesel manual transmission. Let's take a look. You can see the right rear door here. It's kind of damaged a little bit. A little rust here. Let's check this door. This door is okay. This door is also in a very good condition. So here's the trunk area. As you can see, it's very clean. Yeah, close it.
Alright, I'm inside the car now. Let's check the interior, the engine, all of the functions. Okay, let's start by starting the engine. Heat it up a little bit. Check everything's alright. RPM is going smoothly. Let's try. Sounds very clear. Okay, let's check the audio.
안녕하세요. 빅데이터를 보는 세상 아나운서 홍소연입니다. 코로나19 관련 브리핑 방금 듣고 오셨습니다.
Okay.
어제가 WHO에서
The audio works very well. Let's check the air conditioning. Temperature. The wind is blowing everywhere. The aircon is very well as well. Off. Checking the engine now. As you can see, the sound is clear. There's no cutting. Even this side here. Very clean.
Esta es USYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos a puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. busyman.kr. El número de teléfono celular es más 8210-7353-2398.
This was the end of the review of this car, Tucson 2004 diesel manual transmission. If you're interested, please visit us on busyman.kr. As you've seen, it's a nice car, clean, the engine is in a very good condition. Wheels are good as well, everything is very good. Thanks for watching, USADOS here. Please subscribe, visit us, contact us anytime. Peace, thank you so much.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es más 8210-7353-2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.